you all? Welcome back to English WB class. Last day what we were discussing? We were discussing the Blue Fox chapter. So now it's the time to read the chapter. Yes, I just gave you an introduction about the chapter. Now it's the time to read the chapter. Okay, can you take your WB? Can you get fast your WB workbook, English workbook, and also a pencil? Why pencil? Yeah, you have to underline whichever the points, whichever the words are difficult for you to read, or whichever words you don't know the meaning, you have to underline, and you can ask your mother or to me afterwards the doubts. Okay, and also when we start a chapter, you need to write that day, which day we are starting the chapter. So today is the date. What is the date? 20. So 29 2020, that date and day you have to write it in the corner of your book. Okay, ready? So let's start the reading the chapter, page number 28. Okay, fine. All of you, please open your book, page number 28, and we will read the chapter. You have to listen. Okay. So, my dear friends, let's ready. Page number 28. What is the chapter number? Chapter number 4. The Blue Fox. The Blue Fox. What is the color of the fox normally? Yes, brown color, right? So, how the fox become blue? This is what we are going to explore today. Okay, first line. A brown fox saw a bucket of blue paint. So here you can see in the picture a brown fox. One day he was wandering through a village. So he saw, what did he see? He saw a bucket of blue paint. He saw a bucket of blue paint. He went to look at it. He wanted to see what is inside the bucket. So he went inside. He wanted to check what is inside, and he went to look at it. So by mistake, what happened? He slipped into the bucket and he fell into it. Second line. Do you follow me? And he fell into it. The fox's fur became blue. How the fox became blue, kids? One day he was walking and he saw a bucket of blue paint. What did he see? He saw a bucket of blue paint, and when he was looking into the bucket, he fell into the where? Where did he fall? He fell into the bucket of blue paint. Into the blue paint he fell into. Then what happened? His fur became blue. The fox's fur became blue. What is the meaning of fur? Fur means it is the skin of the fox, the hair on the body of the fox. The fox's fur became blue. The animals in the forest. Now what happened? He was not knowing what happened to him. So all the animals, when he went into the forest, what happened? All the animals are looking at him and laughing. The animals in the forest looked at him and laughed. Third line I am reading now. The animals in the forest looked at him and laughed. They started laughing. Why? There is an abnormal animal there. We have never seen him in the forest. So who is that? So they started laughing. The fox in the color of blue. So they started laughing at. Then the fox said, "Don't laugh at me, all of you. Blue is the color of kings. Why are you all laughing at me?" The fox stood at the top and he said, "Don't laugh at me, all of you. Blue is the color of kings. Now I am now your king. Hereafter I'll be your king. You must bow before me. You must bring me good things to eat." So what did the fox say? The fox said, "Don't laugh at me, all of you. Blue is the color of kings. So I am in the blue color now. I am now your king. You must bow before me." Bow means showing respect, keeping our head down in front of the king or showing respect. It's the way of showing respect. You must bow before me. You must bring me good things to eat. Now hereafter I'll sit here. I'll be your king. You all have to treat me as you are treating a king. You must bring me, you have to bring me food for every day. The animals thought he was really a king. What did the animals think? The animals thought he was really a king. They bowed before him, means they started respecting. They started treating the fox, the blue fox, as if he is their king. They gave him good things to eat. In the third paragraph, kids, the animals thought he was really a king. They bowed before him. They gave him good things to eat. Then one day, what happened? It started raining. Then one day it rained. The rain washed the paint of the fox. What, obviously, if we have some colors on our hand, if we are showing it under that water tap, what it will happen? The color will fade off. Color will washed away. Color will be washed away. So one day when it rained, the fox became wet and the rain washed the paint of the fox. All the paint washed away from the body of the fox when it rained one day. The blue fox became brown again. He started becoming brown again. He became brown again. Then all the animals understand. The angry animal said, "You lied to us. You are not a king. Go away." And they chased him out of the forest. They chased means they chase. See, now the dogs and all, they are chasing the fox away into the out of the forest. The angry animal said, "You lied to us. You are a big liar. You are not a king. Go away." And they chased him out of the forest. So kids, hope all of you understood the story. You have to read it. Last time how many times did I tell you to read? 10 times, right? Now this time you have to read this chapter 5 times. Promise? Very good. You have to read this 5 times and understand the story, and I will send you the new words. If whichever words you don't know, all are not, any tough words are not there. All are all are easy words only for you. So you will be writing the new words and learn the spellings. Okay, next day I'll send you the new words from the chapter. So this is all about the blue fox. Now it's the time to read for you. You will read how many times? 5 times. Okay, all of you take care. Bye bye.